Hi folks, this is a circle of Terra. I just doing this small video for the new people that are into flat Earth. An example of various methods that have been established throughout our life. Um, First, I want to show uh, the actual model that they have. This is the Copernican model. They call it heliocentrism, which means that the sun is in the middle of the known universe, or in the middle of a solar system. The sun is in the middle, and then the planets, or I should say, wandering stars, and Earth. They uh, they put it as a planet too, orbiting around the sun. Okay, that's but we've been led to believe throughout all these years, more than 500 years since Copernicus, and it is established in the school system, uh, and this is what we led to believe, you know. Okay, from here, I got one that is the geocentrism. As you can see, geocentrism and heliocentrism are more or less the same. Okay, the only difference is that Earth is in the middle in geocentrism, and the Sun orbits Earth, and everything orbits Earth. Earth is stationary based on geocentrism model. Here, Earth spins 1,000 miles per hour in its own axis. So, in its own axis. So, in both models, as you can see, there's a flaw. If you're a Christian and flat earther, um, you will reject these two models. Why? Because in those two models, they present Earth as a planet, which is not. Earth is plain. It's just terrain. It's the lower duality out of the two. Lower duality. The upper duality is heaven, the sky, everything that is up. And down is our land, Earth. And those two models, they represent Earth as a planet. Okay? Now, from here, I got this model. This model is the concave Earth theory. The concave Earth shows that the Earth is actually representing the universe, and then the universe is like a sphere, and the stars, wandering stars, sun, moon, everything is in that sphere. And then the karma line reflect this sphere, flipping the image and make it look like it's you know concave, the image, which is the truth. It's concave. It's not the truth is, but it's the truth that the firmament is the glass ceiling, and then the heaven is is an inner sphere that has the stars in it. Okay, but this is what they believe. How this is wrong? This is wrong because first, it doesn't cope with the horizon at all. The horizon, what reflects is that the earth is flat and you have two dualities. And those two dualities meet at the horizon. Simple as that. Okay? Now, the other thing that is wrong with this is water, in liquid form. It will do the same principle in this model than in this model or this model. Water will do the same effect. Will have to do the same effect. And water don't behave like that. Water goes either down until find its horizontal level. Okay? So From these three models, we come to the flat Earth model. Flat Earth model, excuse me, model. Flat Earth model is just that. It's a flat surface, level it, and celestial bodies, sun, moon, etc., are orbiting around and on top of the line. Okay? The Karman line, which is I honestly believe is represented bad here. Represented bad should be flatter, but it's like that, half an arc, but it's more flat. It's a glass dome. It's a firmament, as we know, it's a firmament that holds the water in between the heaven and the firmament, the waters of the head, the upper waters. Okay? Everybody here is upright. Nobody is upside down. Like this model will be like upside down, sideways. In this model, people will be upside down or sideways, or like in this model, people again. On this model, people will be upside down or sideways. The water will not hold. Tons of water, I don't know, gravity, I don't know. Honestly, that I mean, it is my opinion. It is, I think it is my opinion. Okay. Out of all these models, the correct one, in my opinion, is this one. Is this one because you go outside and you see the sun on top of you. You see the upper duality on top of you, stars on top of you. Regardless if they disappear at the horizon, you believe that goes even down. It doesn't matter. It's still up. It's still up. The moon is up, and sometimes you see in daylight the sun and the moon at the same time. Okay, which confirms that they orbit around Earth. Okay, I wanted to bring this so you guys get more or less the idea. Uh, the guy who promoted this concave Earth was a guy by the name Cyrus P. He was a scientist. This model is the Copernican model, and which model? Let me see. This model is backed up by Michelson Morley and by Sackman, Carl Sackman. The last name is Sackman. They're all scientific. Um, Albert Michelson, Albert Michelson, he was a Nobel Prize, okay, a physicist. And Morley have a background, the University of Hartford, I believe, Yale, I think. I don't know. I mean, I read something about Harvard, Connecticut, about Morley, and you have to check it out. Google it. The information is there because I read it. Um, and that's about it. I wanted to show you that. This is backed up by the Bible, King James Version, 1611. It is backed up by multiple people, from Ptolemy to Robotham, aka Parallax. Okay? So all these models have their science and scientific stuff behind. But out of all these, this is the only one that is also backed up by the Bible, by scripture. Okay? A 2,000-year-old record, you know, finished in 1611, which is more than a couple hundred years. Okay? So I wanted to show you so you can see and come to your own conclusions. When you go outside, you feel the floor and you see the surroundings static. The only thing that you see Moving is what is on top of it. Planes, birds, clouds, wind blowing the trees, leaves flowing, you know, the stars, the moon, the sun, airplanes, helicopters. Those are moving. In our land, yeah, there are things moving, but the land as a whole, you know, that is whatever is integrated in the land, is static. Buildings, trees, rocks, mountains. Okay, and that's perception. That's something that interact with your feelings, with your senses. I would say with your senses, like hearing, touching, seeing, smelling. You know, your senses. Okay, uh, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. That I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please subscribe. Thumbs up if you like to. You can comment. And I really appreciate if you're passing by. Okay, God bless you all. Have a good day.